Hi, I'm Mia, and today I'm super excited to share something cool, sounds of space. Did you know that space is mostly silent? That's because sound needs a medium like air to travel, and space is a vacuum, but guess what? Scientists have found amazing ways to capture space sounds using special equipment designed just for this purpose. One of the neatest things is that they can translate electromagnetic waves into sounds we can hear. For example, when a giant planet like Jupiter interacts with its magnetic field, it creates waves that can be turned into eerie sounds. It's like the universe has its own music. NASA recorded these sounds, and they can be really spooky, almost like the universe is talking back to us. Imagine floating in space and hearing these otherworldly sounds. It would be absolutely amazing. Some sounds are caused by solar winds or cosmic rays hitting our atmosphere. It's like nature's orchestra, and I want to be part of it. I dream of being an astronaut, exploring space, and maybe even tuning into these cosmic symphonies. So next time you look up at the stars, remember there's a whole concert happening out there just waiting to be heard. The universe is full of surprises.